So how I set up my folder storage is shown here in Google Docs or Google Drive. My EDCI folder is in blue right here. And to add a new folder, you need to click on New, and then click on the Folder tab, and then you can title it whatever you want, and then hit Enter, and it will create a new folder for you. And then if you want a new folder, you can click it again, or you can go to any, if you want to create a Google Doc, Google Sheets, Google Slides, etc. Then you can also go into your folder and add more folders to separate the different documents that you have. And then you can go to add in just a document in there. You can go to Google Docs. You can title it, hit Enter, and then if you exit out of that, it should pop up right here. And then you can put that and move it to whichever folder you want, and it'll be in that folder. And to share these, if you want to share something, you can click on the folder, whichever documents you want to share, and then you press share, and you can share it. You can add a note. And you can send it. And it'll be shared with that one person.